How to permanently delete your Google account. Here's how. First, open your web browser and go to account.google.com. If you're not already signed in, sign into the Google account you want to delete. Once you're on the Google account page, tap the search icon at the top. Now, type delete in the search bar. From the search results, tap delete your Google account. You'll now see the option to download your Google data if you want to keep a copy of your photos, emails, or other important information before deleting your account. After that, scroll down and carefully read what will be deleted. Next, check both confirmation boxes. Then, tap Delete Account. At this point, you'll be asked to enter your Google account password to verify your identity. I'm not going to delete my account, but after entering your password, simply confirm the deletion and your Google account will be permanently deleted. Keep in mind that deleting your Google account removes access to Gmail, Google Drive, Google Photos, YouTube, and other Google services linked to that account. That's it. You've successfully learned how to permanently delete your Google account. If this tutorial helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more quick and easy Google tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.